Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Majid Zidan, a teacher of English at Tarbiyya Namudijiyya Schools. Today's lesson, we're going to talk about future with going to. This is a new structure for talking about the future. So please, all of you, open your book, page 51. Page 51, student book. Yes. Okay, let's start. The first thing we have to study is the form of future going to or be going to. Be here means am, is, are. This is verb to be in present. Am, we use it with I. Is with he, she, it. Are, we use it with we, they, you. Plus going to, and the verb should be in infinitive form. As we said, infinitive form, it means the verb without d, ed, ing, s, es, or ies. This is infinitive form. For example, play, eat, go, do. They are all verbs in infinitive. This form, I am, he is, or the form verb to be before going to has full form or short form. Both are correct. You can say I am or I am. The difference between them only in pronunciation. So when you say this one, I am, this is a full form. But when you say the short form, you have to say I am. Don't say I am. This is I am. This form is I am. He is his. She is she's. It is its. We are we're. They are their. You are your. This is the full form and this is short form. Let's have some examples. When I say, I am going to be a doctor, this is in the future. You will be or you are going to be a doctor. The next one, he's going to buy a new car. Here is the subject he is because he is singular pronoun. Then going to, and the verb buy here is in infinitive form. You are going to build new houses. Here is you. This is plural form. With you, we have to write are. After that, going to, build. This is infinitive verb. And the last example, we are going to join the party. Join here is the verb. We, the subject, are going to. This is the structure of future form. So the next one is how to put the future going to in negative form. You have only to add not or n apostrophe t like this. This is the full form. This is the short form. I am, this is affirmative form. When you put it in negative form, you can say I am not or I am not. He is not. She is not. It is not. We are not. They are not. And you are not. And also the negative form, you can say them as full form or short form. Like you can say am not or apostrophe m like this. You have to shorten only am into apostrophe m or not. I'm not, is not, isn't, are not, aren't, plus going to plus infinitive. Let's have some examples. When I say I am not going to have an exam, with this form you have only to add the word not, and also the verb should be in infinitive form. He isn't going to go to the cinema. Mary isn't going to finish her project. They aren't going to come early tonight. You can see the words in red, they are verbs, and all of them, they are in infinitive form because before them we have the structure of am going to. The next part is how to say a question form or yes or no question form. You have to start with am, is, are. Don't say subject first, then am, is, are. No. You have to start with am, is, are first, then the subject, he, she, it, we, they, you, plus going to, and the verb should be in infinitive form. So in the negative form, the affirmative form, the question form, you have the verb in infinitive. Let's have examples. When I say I am going to wash the car, the verb here is wash, and this is affirmative sentence. I am, we said that we have to change it into are you, like this. Then are you, I am, to are you. Going to, the verb in infinitive, wash the car. Are you going to wash the car? Don't forget the question mark because this is a question form. The answer should be yes or no. When you say yes, then are you, we change it again into I am. Yes, I am. No, I am not. The next one, he's going to climb mountain. Who can change this sentence into a question? Yes? How can we change it? Yes, correct. You can say, is he going to climb a mountain? And don't forget the question mark. The answer, yes, he is, or no, he isn't. The next word, the next example, they are going to clean all the rooms. Yes, just they are, switch it into are they. The question will be, are they going to clean all the rooms? This is a question form. When you answer this question, you can say yes, they are, or no, they aren't. The last example here, Nader is going to join the club. When we change it into question form, we have to start with is, after that the subject, Nader, going to join the club, then the question mark, the answer, yes, he is, or no, he isn't. Okay, is it clear? Okay, the next part is the time expressions. We have, if you see these words, you should know that this sentence in future. These words are tomorrow, tonight, next, next month, next year, next week, in an hour, in a year, and the word soon. The last part of this lesson is when do we use future going to? As we said, the structure going to, we use it to talk about future, especially things you are or you intend to do in the future. For example, you are planning to study English after 2 years or after a year, after a month, after a week, whatever. You have to say, I'm going to study English next year. I'm going to study English next week, and so on. Let us see. The usage of this tense, future going to, we use it for something we intend. Be careful. We intend to do in the future. You are planning to do in the future. The next, another structure you can use it to talk about future is the present progressive. You can say, I'm buying a car next Saturday. Okay, this is also another form for the future or to talk about future. Got it? Okay, the last part is an exercise and you have to choose the correct answer. The first one, I am, is, are going to visit Spain next summer. The subject here is I, and we said we use it with am, correct? So the structure, I am going to. The first one is am, like this. The next one, this is a question form. Here is Sarah. Sarah is a singular subject. With singular subject, we choose am, is, or are. Which one is correct? Am Sarah, is Sarah, or are Sarah? Yes, correct. You have to say is Sarah. The next one, we am, is, are going to have a meeting tomorrow. Which one is correct? Yes, exactly. The correct one here is are because we is a plural pronoun. Number 4, they are going to. Be careful. Here is the preposition to. Okay? After to, what should we have? Yeah, what should we have? Yes, infinitive form. Which one is infinitive form? Look, wash, washing, washed. Which one is correct? This one with ed form, washing with ing, and this one wash, this is infinitive form. So this form is the correct one. Yes. The last one, 5. You, am, is, are going to dance with her. Which one is correct? Yes, you, we use it with are. You takes are, like this. Okay, thanks a lot for your attention. I hope you got the lesson. Please, if you have any notes, if you have any questions about this lesson, please write your comments and soon I will answer them, inshallah. Thanks a lot and goodbye.